I mean, the Apostle Peter, he says that we've been begotten again, not of a corruptible seed, speaking of the first man, Adam, but an incorruptible, the Word of God, which was Jesus, who was made flesh and came to deliver us, to take away our sin, in whom is no sin. I mean, we need to see the revelation that we're made partakers of God's divine nature in his son Jesus, who Paul calls the second man, the last Adam, in 1 Corinthians chapter 15. I mean, we need to understand the revelation of the mystery of the gospel and the work that God accomplished in his son Jesus, made of a woman, made under the law, to redeem us who are under the law, to free us